If you have forgotten your Sony PSP's parental control password or PIN, and the default PIN doesn't work, so you can't access the browser, and you can't open games because it says restricted content, then don't worry, because resetting your PSP's PIN is very easy. So let me show you how to reset the password of your PlayStation Portable in less than a minute. The only way to reset your PSP's password is by resetting your PSP itself to factory default settings. But don't worry, cause this won't erase anything on your PSP, and after resetting is complete, you'll be back right from where you left. So to reset our PSP along with our parental control pin, we'll need to go to settings, from there, go down to system settings, now go down again and find restore default settings. Press X, it will show you all the settings that will be reset. And to confirm it, press enter, which is X in our case, then confirm it again. And right after that, it will say restore completed. You need to press X again to restart your PSP. It will only take a few seconds to restart, and you'll land on the initial setup page. Now just go ahead and normally set up your PSP. And the parental control pin will be turned off, and the password will be reset to 4 zeros. And that's how simply you can reset your PSP's parental control password. If this helped, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.